heart of Louisville, Kentucky, innovation is taking shape beneath our feet. For more than 3 decades, ResinDek engineered high-performance flooring systems, power warehouses, robotics, and global supply chains. Manufactured in the U.S. and trusted worldwide, ResinDek continues to evolve alongside the industries it serves.
We sell flooring solutions. So a customer comes to us with a unique application. They may have static buildup they need dissipated. We have a solution for that. They may have heavy rolling loads that crack normal floors. We have solutions for that. They may want to run mobile robots on their floor. We have solutions for that. So I think that relationship with the customer, they know they can come to us and fix pretty much any problem they have. Our products are not only good for equipment to operate on, but people walking on our floors have less negative ergonomic impact to their bodies versus walking on steel or concrete. So it's actually a better ergonomic solution than almost anything else that's available in the industry.
ResinDek globally allows many integrators and rack manufacturers to consider different use cases for their systems. With high wear-resistant panels, moisture-resistant capabilities, opportunity exists.
As automation accelerates and logistics grow more complex, resilient infrastructure becomes essential. ResinDek flooring helps companies scale faster, build upward, and operate smarter across continents and climates.
Many companies today are implementing automation-based technologies and solutions. ResinDek, with its consistent finish and wear-resistant properties, is optimal for AGV and AMR traffic.
Our products are greener or more environmentally conscious options versus concrete, steel. And if you look at the life cycle of our product from manufacturing the product to using it, transporting it, removing it, landfilling it, it's a much greener process than almost anything else on the market.
We have a series of quality checks, first piece of every single job that we run, along with QC throughout the process, where we constantly monitor the coatings along with the dimensional standards of our finished good.
Our on-time delivery rate is 98.7%. We have a structured and organized production schedule. We also have team meetings daily talking about our schedule and how we're meeting plan. And we also have a weekly meeting with a larger team where we can actually discuss our current schedule and look ahead.
ResinDek floors have been tested for over 30 years through our internal testing laboratory. There's a high level of thought and process that goes into validating each and every product through pallet jack capacity, robotics, wear resistance. All of those characteristics and variables are tested to ensure optimal performance.
Every single warehouse that goes up in this country is unique. There is no cookie cutter warehouse solution. So depending on what you want to put on the floor, whether it be conveyors, people pushing carts, pallet jacks, robotic solutions, we have a solution for any of those applications. People keep coming back to us because of our service. Our products are great. We have the best products in the industry, but we also have the service to stand behind it. We're there for you during the sale. We're there for you during the install, and if there's problems, we're going to fix them. That's why we have so many repeat customers. I think 80 to 90% of our business last year was from existing customers, and they keep coming back to us because they know what they're going to get.
From our manufacturing to supply chain operations across the globe, ResinDek flooring is building the foundation for smarter, stronger, and more connected industries, one floor at a time. Learn more at ResinDek.com.